Okay, in the last video we were talking about the ultrasound. Okay, now let's move towards the timing of the ultrasound. Basically, the minimum time for the usage of the ultrasound is like 1 to 2 minutes, and the maximum time is like 8 minutes. You shouldn't exceed the 8 minutes, and it also depends on the condition. Like, the bad the condition is, the greater the time you have to apply the ultrasound. Okay, now moving towards the therapeutic uses of the ultrasound, we can use ultrasound. First of all, and the most important use of the ultrasound is like the placebo effect. We are using it for the placebo effect, and we are using it for the plantar warts, which is very common in the athletic persons. And we also use it for the repair of the soft tissue, for the any injury, for like anything. We can use it for anything. And we also use it for the bone healing. In the case of the bone injuries, we are using it for bone healing. If you're using it properly in the correct manner in the first 2 weeks, it will increase the bone reunion. And we are also using it for the scar tissues. It make them edible. It make them it is very good for the scar tissues and for the proper healing and stuff like that. Okay, and we also use it. Yeah, we also use it in some, and now it has been used. Its cold method is being used. Its cold prop. Its cold prop is being used for the inflammation as well. Placebo, scar tissues, bone injuries, plantar warts, and repairing of the soft tissues. Okay, now we should be very careful for some things, and while using the ultrasound, it's like we should ask the patient if he is or she is experiencing the more heat, and you should be very careful about this thing because it can cause the burn. Being honest, it can cause the burn, which is very bad for the patient. It will gonna make patient uncomfortable, and it is very bad for the patient as well. And yeah, when you're using the ultrasound, you can damage the prop if you're not making a proper contact with the skin. Whenever you're using the ultrasound, you should make a proper contact with the skin. Like if you are using the ultrasound and you're like your prop is in this hand and the skin is like here, your prop, the stunning waves will gonna produce in the prop and it will gonna damage your prop. You should be careful about all these things. Now moving towards the contraindications of the ultrasound. Yeah, contraindication. First of all, the very basic contraindication is like you shouldn't apply it on the burn or over the skin, over the open wound. You shouldn't apply it over there. And the next thing is you shouldn't apply it in the acute sepsis, blood sepsis basically, because it can increase that condition. You shouldn't apply it on the case of the thrombosis because it can cause the formation of the emboli and it will gonna travel anywhere in your body and cause the more damaging effects.